In this demo, we will show you how to define a radio group that allows users to choose a value from a small set of options. In Service Studio, we have a module open with an order detail screen created. This screen already has a form built with multiple input widgets. The screen also has an aggregate created to fetch an order from the database. When expanding the order entity, we can see the priority attribute, which defines the priority of the order. The priority can be low, medium, or high. So, this is a typical use case for radio buttons, where the user can select the priority from these three options. Let's start by dragging a radio button group to the form. The radio group is created automatically, with three options. More can be added, and existing ones removed. These options are defined with a radio button. We need one radio button per option within a radio group. Let's select the radio group again. Now we set the variable property to the priority attribute of the order fetched from the aggregate. This defines where the option chosen by the user will be saved. Now, we need to set what the value of each option is within the radio group. Let's first define the option for the low priority by changing the name of the item, and then set the value of this option to the low priority record of the priority static entity. The value property defines what is saved in the variable property of the radio group when the user selects this option. Let's do the same thing for the other two radio buttons. The second radio button represents the medium priority option. Finally, the third radio button item represents the high priority. Let's end this demo by dragging a label before the radio group, setting its name to priority, and its input widget property to the radio group. Let's publish the module to see the radio group in the browser. The radio group is a great choice for letting a user select a value from a small number of options. Now, navigate to the details of an order. We can now see the radio group for the priority in the form. And we can interact with the widget by clicking on each radio button.